Good morning, world. So guys, it's really bleaky outside, so look at me, I have my bracelet on. So I'm gonna wash my face. Still, I'm gonna take these brows off, do them over, and I'm gonna show you outside. As you know, it's my birthday weekend and I'm at Niagara Falls. All right, so I took my wig off, guys, and I cleaned my makeup off. Right, this is no makeup. Yeah, all right. Me no brush my teeth yet. That's another story. So guys, what I'm gonna do, you always ask me for a skincare routine. I still have a little spot because you know the mask bother my skin, but overall I have a good skin overall. All right, my papa said I'm more. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna use about now. All right, I think I might take this off. I'm not sure. If it come off, I wipe it off, but because me didn't plan for, you know, do over anything, maybe me might take the lashes off. If they might come off, guys, me just have to take them off. No watch, no face. We just have to work with it, and if it come off, we take them off. No hard and fast about that, but I'm gonna try it. So and the mask I'm using, this one I got them from the Dollar, is it Dollar Tree or Dollarama? There are some spa treatment masks, coconut oil. So you know, say coconut oil soften the skin, good for your hair and skin. All right, so anyhow, we're gonna put, I cleaned my face this morning already, so I wash off the makeup and all, and then this morning I give it a little wipe. All right, so let's see if we can put this thing on. I have some big eyes, you know, guys, some big eyes, so come on, let's put one eye in first. Woo. It smells good. Bring it down. Alright guys, and then basically they cut it like this so you can fold it and just overlap it, because if you have a big face then it can't work. If you have a small face, just lap it over. Alright, and I rub it in. I rub under my eyes, under the eyes. You don't have to use this treatment, you can use any other. What I like to do with the nice liquid that remains inside the plastic, I rub it under my neck. Alright, and then make sure you rub some up on the forehead, because we have a big old forehead. You know how it goes, guys? I rub under my eyes, like under this, massage under the eye. Alright, just rub it in your skin. Leave this on for about, I would say 5-10 minutes. You can go up to 15 minutes. But the other time I use it, one time I use it for 15 and it dries out. So I think 5 to 10 minutes, that's okay. Alright, and then I'm gonna come back. Oh my god, where did this topic come from? Alright guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go to the falls, guys, so we're not gonna keep this long. We'll take it off, okay? Oh my god, my skin feel. Ooh, I like to take the mask itself and rub my skin, alright? Oh, the brow them still intact. Oh, good. Alright, you can rub your hands with it too, guys. Look, rub the hands. Rub the hands. Rinse it off. Alright guys, I rinse it off. We're gonna try and make we look brows come off, right? If you come off, we can just read to them, but right now, me in a hurry. So make sure you do, cause clean everywhere where the sun smash or shine on. So right here, you know, because some people you might clean your face and left right here, so, and right here so go black and I'll be so clear. So try to clean your hands and, you know, clean out the matter with my item. Yeah, I'm gonna brush my teeth after. Alright guys, I'm gonna just dab this a little because you know the mask thing was on it. Something like that. Alright. I'll just touch it up after. Clean the back of my ears. Go over here so too. Alright. Okay. I have this vitamin E serum. It's vitamin B, C, E serum. It's a multi serum for your skin, alright? Multivitamin serum. I have some already. I think I leave some in Jamaica. I got it from the Dollar Tree. It's okay. It doesn't matter once it works. So I'm gonna put a few drops. That's good enough. And I'm gonna rub it into my skin first thing. Okay. Remember you rub your neck. Alright, Mama? Alright. Do use any lotion of your choice or any moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with this Nivea because it's just a travel pack on the travel size. Alright, and then I have some olive oil, like extra virgin olive oil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit on the palm of my hand and I'm gonna tip a little bit of olive oil, and now we're just gonna rub it together. Oh my god, it smells so good. I moisturize the skin. Oh my god, it feels so good. Rub your lips too, it's okay. Under the eyes, shade it under the eyes, over here, so this will fix up my brows. Don't worry, guys. Oh, come. So guys, this is my skin. Alright. And the rest you just rub your hands. So this is it. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm just gonna put a little lip gloss here. It's a lip gloss, it just have a little pinkish purple. Okay. Alright guys. The lashes them still intact, so I'm gonna get them off. I think that's good. And this is it guys. This is my skincare routine for my face. Sometimes I will use the brush and scrub it, but you know, I'm on my little vacation, birthday vacation, and all I'm gonna do now guys, just fix up my brows a little bit, and I'm not gonna put on no makeup today. I'm just gonna fix my brows, put my wig on, and we're gonna go down to the falls, and I'm gonna go live down there. So this is it guys. Still have some spots, but you can see my skin is really healthy and beautiful. Remember to get under the eyes, alright? And that's it guys. This is me again. Hey, hey, hey. Have ear in my mouth. Alright, bye guys. You have a good day.